Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the best Memecoin whale wallets to copy trade for Pump.Fun tokens. Now there is a massive difference in Pump.Fun tokens and normal tokens. The reason why is because Pump.Fun tokens are the tokens that have not yet come to market, and you can buy into them early using Pump.Fun. Or on Bullex you've got stuff like Pump Vision, where you can actually go in and see the new creations, see what's about to graduate. And the ones that actually do graduate, these are coins that are now on Deck Screener and available to buy without being on Pump.Fun. But a lot of your favorite tokens, a lot of the really great trending meme coins all started on Pump.Fun, including this trending one at the moment. So depending on when you're watching this video, you might be if you're watching it recently, you might be very well aware of Chill Guy. This started on Pump.Fun. It's a massive meme that swept across the whole of the internet. It's all over TikTok, all over Twitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to find the people that bought into this coin early, before it became this massive $400 million market cap giant. So how do you do that? Go to Top Traders. It's probably one of the easiest ways to do it. There's many different ways. You can use tools, paid tools like Soul Squeezer, which will show you hundreds of the top traders and hundreds of the best wallet addresses. But again, that is paid. So I'm going to show you this free version right here just to quickly find someone who bought in early for a cheap price and sold for a high price. So if you haven't watched my last video on a similar topic to this, where I just talked about normal meme coins, I suggest you go watch that one if you just want to refresh and actually understand how to find these wallet addresses. But avoid, once you're looking at these top traders, avoid anything with this red icon right near it. These are inside a wallet, which means the developer has given these tokens to these wallet addresses. So stay clear from all of these. So we're going to find an example of someone who bought in for a low price and sold for millions. Probably one of the best ones right here is the top trader. Well, it's worth having a look and investigating to see what they're buying into. I did have a look at this wallet address before. It does look quite good. They've got a large list of tokens, a lot of trending tokens as well. In the last video, I showed you how to use copy trading with Trojan bot. But for the Pump.Fun, I'm going to show you a trading bot, a different Telegram bot called TradeWiz. The only reason why is just because it's got better copy trading settings for Pump.Fun tokens. Now, this does not only trade Pump.Fun tokens, but you basically include it in the copy trading settings. So once you've got the example of a good wallet address that bought in early to a Pump.Fun token, then copy the wallet address by clicking here on SolScan and click the link in our description below to sign up to TradeWiz on Telegram. Once you're on TradeWiz, click copy trade and then click add, and you will see a menu on your screen just like this. All you have to do is click target wallet and then paste the wallet address of the wallet you found, the Memecoin whale wallet, and then click enter. So then you should see that the target wallet has been placed into this section right here. Now copy these exact settings. You can slightly change it on the max buy and the total investment. I'll explain what these are right now. So the buy percentage I've put at 100%. This is slightly different to other copy trading settings like Trojan bot. On Trojan bot, you either pick a percentage of how much you want to buy. So let's say this Memecoin whale wallet orders 2 SOL of Diddy token, which was a trending token yesterday. Then if you had 2 SOL in your wallet, then you would buy 2 SOL automatically. You copy trade it. But with this, you can actually set the max buy. So for example, I've put 0.1. So right below you will see this total investment. All this means is that the SOL amount that you choose for this exact copy trade is the maximum amount it will use. So if you're copy trading a load of different wallets, I highly suggest just to put the total investment to either 0.5 SOL, 1 SOL, whatever you feel comfortable with. If you're just copying this one wallet address, then you could put a higher amount of SOL. It all depends. But on this copy trading setting, it will never exceed 0.5 SOL of an investment at a time, which is great if you want to be conservative and just make sure you don't jump into loads of different trades. So then each token buy times you want to set to 1. Buy times reset after sold you want to set to true. Unrenounced and unburned you can still buy. The trader's transaction max limit is not limited and the minimum limit is not limited, you want to make sure that you copy PumpFun tokens, because if you can get in early, if one of these wallet addresses finds a really great PumpFun wallet and you get in early, then there's a high chance of gains. You can also copy Radium wallets as well if you choose to. Set this to not limited. Your max market cap not limited and minimum market cap not limited. The only reason why this is different to other copy trading settings is because you're trying to buy into PumpFun tokens. Now, PumpFun tokens usually have a very small market cap at the beginning because they've just launched. So you want to get into those early buys. Copy sells, you want to change to true. Sell by position ratio, put as false. No position sell notice, put as false. Also retry, you can put as 1. The first copy sell percentage, you can put as false. And pump slippage, the normal actual thing, the normal default setting is 50%. Put it at 25%. The normal default settings for this is 18%. You can keep that the same. And then the buy gas fee, it's usually 0.02 sol. I put it to 0.01 just to get into any token early. So yeah, copy all these exact settings and you will start to see that you buy into a lot of different PumpFun tokens. I do suggest as well that you always make sure that you don't invest more than you're afraid to lose. Because with these copy trading settings, although you might find a couple meme coins that will actually do really well, you can also have it as well because these are meme coin whale wallets. They've got a lot of Solana to burn on different projects. So they're more likely to take a gamble, if that makes sense. So just be careful with the amount of sol you're willing to put into it because you can lose your money with these copy trading settings. Don't forget, a lot of the meme coins right now, there's a load that will rug. But one of the best ways to actually get in early is to use this copy trading setting. You can also track the whale wallets if you wanted to see what they're buying into, but you've also got to remember that if you're asleep and one of the whale wallets that you are actually copying or tracking buys in the nighttime, then you're going to miss out on some really great gains if they buy into something like a chill guy token. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you check out TradeWiz below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because in the next video, we're going to do a deep dive in how to find these meme coins early before anyone else buys into them. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.